Hi there, this is Chris with a tutorial on how to repair a moscart which someone has unscrewed, shall we say. This is a useful guide if you're repairing the seal on the main locking system, or if someone has unscrewed it, as simple. Now this is using an example with a mosquito moulds 180 round moscart. The same principle goes for a lot of different types, such as the 165 or even lower types. Now the locking system consists of the main gas chamber and a locking system which locks the seal in place. Sometimes the seals can perish, which require a bit of work, maybe a bit of thick grease, PTFE, or a brand new seal. Seals should be available. Such places such as AIrsoft will often stock them. Now the main part to do here is an importance in tooling. Like every job, you need the correct tools for the job. Now I advise anyone who is considering a moscart to get one of these toolkits. The first part is a reloading tool, the second is a reloading tool, and the second one is a repair tool. The method of reinstalling the fiddly ball bearings, 8 of which form part of a locking system, along with the spring, the center plunger and the main gas lock. First of all, we have to reinstall the center plunger into the gas lock. Then, as you see in here, there's a slight indentation around which fits around there neatly. Now as you see, this ring covers all the holes bar the one you're currently working on. Now it's important that we have all 8 locking systems, for I have run one before with 7. It's not really recommended. The trick to do here is to load the ball bearings into each hole. I'm sorry I'm rushing through this at the moment, but I found that the first time I did this it was over YouTube's limit. What you do, you load each two into each one and rotate the tool round until you're at the final hole. The next part, if I can get hold of the last two, is to rotate the ring to a position where no ball bearing can escape, and slightly gently ease the center plunger. Now you notice this has stopped going any further. This is the reason why it locks in. As it goes through, as you saw earlier with the shape of it, it actually pushes the ball bearings out, which locks against the ring there. Inside the center ring, however, there is a slight indentation which we are going to use to reinstall this. Now I do recommend positioning this in a way that it balances over it, keeping it in. You get your load tool in there as a guide, and you install, pushing it, finally pushing it down and releasing the pressure on the load tool until the ring goes around your finger and the center part goes in. Gently rotate this so the ring's off in your finger. Place the center down there and quickly but gently rescrew the main center back down before that releases, and you have to repeat the whole task over again. Once it is fully tightened down, unscrew about quarter to a half, take the tool, push in, retighten. That should now hold gas once you've replaced the seals. It's as easy as that.